Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Windows account that receives the notifications. This ensures you change the right profile. Once done, open the browser that sends alerts, Chrome or Edge, and go straight to Settings, then Privacy and Security. You need to inspect both browser and Windows settings, so keep both windows accessible. Make sure to have a clear view of site permissions and the Windows Action Center. This prepares you to remove notifications at both the browser and system level. You now focus on the browser. Open Site Settings and select Notifications so you can see allowed sites. For each site listed, click its menu and choose Block or Remove. That immediately stops future alerts from that source. If you prefer a single action to prevent new permission requests, toggle off the Sites Can Ask to Send Notifications option. This stops pop-ups asking for permission and prevents accidental re-enabling, so you control both existing and future notification sources. Finish by adjusting Windows notification controls so alerts won't bypass browser settings. Open Settings, go to System, then Notifications and Actions, and either turn off notifications for the browser app or disable all notifications if you want silence. After changing these, restart your browser to apply the settings, and then check the Action Center to confirm alerts have stopped. If you still see notifications, clear browser cookies for the site and recheck permissions. That usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.